Hello, and thank you for signing up for this English 101 online course for winter 2020. This is a fast-paced course, so I tell you to buckle your seatbelts and get ready for the ride and for the assignments. This will be a rewarding course once you're done. You'll be finished in about 3.5 weeks, and you can go on to your other credit courses and even take courses within your major. So welcome and fasten your seatbelts. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be working out of the Tech Learning module. Before that, though, I'd like to welcome you to the course by having you actually post on the discussion board your introductions and also work on the orientation module. So I'll get to the Tech module in a bit. The best way to navigate through the course is to look at the calendar each day. The calendar will tell you what's due each day. So you want to look ahead, maybe print it out, or take a look at it each day on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer, just to see what is going on. You'll note that you'll have assignments even on the weekends, so please be aware of that because this is a fast-paced course. So the calendar is found on the navigation bar to the left where it says calendar, and you'll see that right here. And you'll see each assignment that comes up daily. Okay, and if you click on the assignment, it might give you a little bit more information. If you click on it, it'll give you a little bit more. The assignments usually are found in the learning modules. My lessons are found there. So if you scroll down on the navigation bar, you will see a tab that says Learning Modules, and that's where you'll find information. The first learning module, and if you click on it, you'll see the learning module there. The first learning module is called the Orientation module, and that's what you should start with today because today's the first day of class. And you will see that for the first day of class, I'd like you to do a scavenger hunt to kind of figure out where things are in the course, and then take the little quiz. Okay? The next thing I'd like you to do is to introduce yourselves to each other and to me in the class, and that'll be on the discussion board. There's a link to it on the orientation module as well as on the discussion board. The discussion board is a tab that's found right here, right below on the navigation bar. But there's a link to what you have to do in the orientation to the discussion board. So you can go ahead and fill those two out and introduce yourselves to me and to the class. Once you're finished with that, you will go to the learning modules, to the Tech Learning module, Technology. For short, we call it the Tech, and you will see in folders a list of activities for each week. Because the semester is condensed into about 3.5 weeks, you'll see different folders, but they all say Tech Week 1 because they're all to be completed within the week from today to next week. And you'll look at the calendar to see what's coming up due. For instance, you have some readings to do. There's a video that I'd like you to look at, Games for Girls. There's some readings, and if you click on the learning on the calendar, you'll see what the readings are, and they don't link, but they directly point to what you have to do in the Technology module. Okay, and you'll see information here about the writing process and some other things. And then you'll post your activities, most of your activities, on the discussion board with the exception of your essay. Your essay will be in the assignments folder. And the assignments folder is, let's see, it's on the navigation bar as well. You won't really need to use it until you post your essay, you upload your essay. But other than that, I would say the discussion board is primarily where you'll be posting everything else. I hope this information was helpful. Welcome.